All right, I'm taking a look at Python Crash Course problem set 2-1. Try it yourself on page 19 of the third edition. Simple message. So first, we are going to assign a message to a variable. So let's create some pseudocode here. Okay, in order to do that, we're going to create a variable name. Let's do message for simplicity equals, we want to do a string because we're creating a phrase of characters. So a string, which is quotes. This is my message. Close quote. All right, next part of the problem. And then print that message, okay? Print that message. Remember that things that start with hashtags are comments and not read by Python. Just giving me hints here as I go along my code or my program. And then we want to print that message. So we need to call the print function, which is print with parentheses. And we want to print our message. Well, we don't want to print physically this part of our string or our variable because we want to display that. Well, it's encased inside our variable, and we can just plug that variable directly into our print function. And if we go ahead and run this, this is my message. Boom. All right, shifting focus to 2-2 simple messages this time around. We are going to first assign a message to a variable, just like before, and print that message. So above here, we're just going to make our message variables before. String, this is my message. All right, and then we're going to print that message again. Boom. Okay, and then the next part, then change the value of the variable to a new message and print that new message. So to just reassign message, we're going to call the variable again, message. We're going to reassign it, just basically override it, just as if we were saving a file, a new file over something. A new message over the variable is equal to this is my new message. Let me add an exclamation point up here for fun. Gotta keep it fun. And we're gonna go ahead and print message. Again, it's gonna be the same variable name, but because we assign it again later down in our code, we reassign it to this new message, it overrode the previous one. Let me go ahead and add that pseudocode here. Override the message variable with a new message. And then we're obviously going to just print the new message. Or I won't say new message, I'll say message because I don't want to confuse. So it's as simple as that. We'll run this. This is my message. This is my new message. All right, thanks for watching. This has been Try Yourself 2-1 and 2-2. Have a good day.